students, welcome you all to the computer science class. Today we will learn about networking concept through this video. Without further ado, let's start class.
I am your host Aman sir. This is first video of networking chapter. In this video, we will learn about networking, advantages of networking, network components, types of network, network architecture, network security. So let's get started. Before going into deeply, understand the concept of network. Net means jal in Hindi. Now think out of box and try to relate net with network. See, both pictures have similarity. Web is also connected with other threads and network is also. In our daily life, we come across different types of networks. Example, networks of road, railways lines, canals. These things are attached with two or more than two. Let's take one example. If you want to go to Patiala, which road will you follow? Because Patiala is linked with Samana, Sangrur, Naba, Sarhand, Rajpura. In this picture, Patiala is linked with many roads. This is also example of network because roads, railway lines, canals all have their connected points. Smartphone. It is also example of network. Like you take online classes, it is mean that 30 students will be connected with a teacher and each other. It is also network. Banks, radio, video conferencing all are examples of network. So I think you all have understood the network. Let's talk about computer network. Computer is gadget. Network means web. So if we add these two words, we will get combined word web of computers. और इसे हिंदी में कहेंगे computers का जाल. See this picture. If you learn this picture, definition can become automatically from your mind. Computer network consists of two or more computers with wires or wireless. Second definition, a computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. Peripheral devices which are attached with wires. Example, mouse, keyboard, printer, your phone charger, etc. Suppose in class, when you sit like groups and talk with each other, what is happened then? Simple. You share information with each other. And if you sit alone, how could you talk and share info? So in one sense, consist of two or more make network. Node. Each computer in a network is called a node. Computers in a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, or infrared light beams. Advantage of networking. Network component. You know very well meaning of network. So I am telling you meaning of component. It is mean parts. Let's take one more example. This is bulb. What do you need if I say to you to fit bulb on wall? What do you need for it? Answer is bulb, wire, switch, electricity. Am I right? So wire, switch are components. Now we talk about network component. Network card, networking cable, hubs and switches. A network interface card, also known as NIC, network card or network interface controller, is an electronic device that connects a computer network. Networking cable. Networking cable is different from electricity wire. Network cables are used to connect and transfer data and information between computers, routers, switches and storage area network. Hub and switch. We know network cards are used to send and receive data being transmitted over Ethernet cable. When a network has more than two computers, we cannot directly connect all the computers together. So we need hub or switch. Basically, it depends on our need. Example: you have a one plug in your room. Mostly, you use it for your mobile charger. Unluckily, your 5 friends have die-hard need for mobile charging and they come in your room. So, what will be solution to charge all mobile at same time? Think out of box. Yes, this is right answer which you are thinking. Extension board. With the help of extension board, we can share electricity at same time. Same concept is of hub. When you want to attach multiple PC on networking, it helps to give point to share data with each PC. Now we have learned what is network, how to do networking, which devices are used in networking. Now we will learn about types of networks. There are various types of network depending on the geographical area. LAN. LAN stands for local area network. Mostly we use LAN in local area like in schools, buildings, offices, etc. Range 100 meter approx. It connects computer in short distance. A LAN may be set up using wired or wireless connection. A LAN that is completely wireless is called wireless LAN. MAN. A MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is a larger network than LAN. It is spread across the city. Since it covers a city, it is called metropolitan. Network size generally range from 5 to 50 km. Example, cable television, branches of local bank in a city, etc. Basically, it connects two LANs. WAN, Wide Area Network. A WAN is a computer network that spans a wide geographical area. A WAN may be spread across cities, countries and continents. A WAN is formed by connecting LANs and MANs. It is used for countries or all around world. Range not fixed. PAN, Personal Area Network. It is same when we create personal network via mobile hotspot. Its range is 0 to 10 meter. नेटवर्क आर्किटेक्चर. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट आर्किटेक्चर, इसका मतलब होता है बनावट, मॉडल. आपने हाउस आर्किटेक्चर सुना होगा. इट इज़ सेम बट हियर हाउस की जगह नेटवर्क है, सो वी कैन से नेटवर्क की बनावट. सो नेटवर्क आर्किटेक्चर इज़ एन ओवरऑल डिज़ाइन ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क दैट डिस्क्राइब्स how a computer network is configured and what strategies are being used. Computer networks are of two main types, client server and peer-to-peer network. Client server. In this network, several computers are connected to main computer. Let's take an example. आपके मोबाइल में हॉटस्पॉट ऑप्शन होता है. Suppose you have shared hotspot with your friends. Now they are using your services of internet. So your phone is a server and their mobiles are client. In case if you off your hotspot, what will happen then? None of your friends can be used internet. So this was concept of client server network. All computers will depend on one main computer. Peer-to-peer network. There is no central server. Each computer can act as a server as well as client. See in picture. There is no server, but in client-server network, server should be there. Peer-to-peer means computer to computer. Let's take an example of hotspot again. In client server example, if you close your hotspot, your friends can't use internet. But in peer-to-peer, everyone is server and everyone is client. Like we all have SIM and netpack in mobile so that we can exchange any data with each others. So there is no bother of server or main hotspot. When you send data to anyone, you are a server and receiver is a client. But when you receive data from other, then you are a client and sender is server. Network security. Network security is the protection of networking components, connection and contents like home security. What we do, we use lock for every room so that no one can steal anything in our absence. Am I right? Locks concept is same as network security. Like in these days, you know well, all students attend online classes. Some students create noise in online class, so teachers use network security by removing you, by adding restrictions and make rules to attend online classes. Networking security means protecting data and resources from access by unauthorized person. There are two general levels of network security: login security and write security. Login security. In this, we get unique login name and password. Example, your Zoom ID, Facebook ID, etc. Write security. Students, do you know what is cyber? This word is related with computer and technology. Example, cyber cafe, cyber law, cyber security.